Welcome to PJ and PJ Solutions. How to convert the Word file into the PPT file. Friends, here you can watch the symbol like this. The symbol name is called Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. By using this symbol, we can directly convert our Word file into PPT file. Generally, when you open the Word file, it will look like this. There will be no such kind of the symbols. Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. If you put the cursor here, you are not able to find it. You are able to find out one button is a save button. This is the undo button. This is the redo button. There is no other options are available here. We have to enable the send to Microsoft PowerPoint. This option we have to enable. In the previous slide, I have shown the symbol of send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now it's a big question. Now, when you don't know the things, it is a big question. Don't worry, I will help you to do that. What we have to do is we have to select this symbol which is showing the downward arrow, little very small symbol showing the little downward arrow symbol. This arrow symbol name is called, when you move the cursor on that symbol, then it will shows customized quick access toolbar. It is showing as customized quick access toolbar. Okay, now when you have to click on this symbol, when you click on the symbol, what is going to be happened? The next small box will be opened with a certain number of the items. These are the items you are able to find in the small box. Out of all these items, you have to select the more commands. First, you have to click on the customized quick access toolbar. Then it will open a small box. In the small box, you are looking for the more commands. Clicking on the more commands, the next small window will be opened like this, which is shows Word option. Under this, there will be three boxes again here. One is this, other one is this, and this is 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this, three boxes will be open. Left hand side, you are able to find out the some items which are showing the quick access toolbar. This is we want to open. Here we no need to do anything in the step 3. Just we have to observe this how it is. Quick access toolbar. Are you able to find out or not? If you are not finding this, you have to find this quick access toolbar under the Word option. Now here you can see customize the quick access toolbar. This type of the heading will be shown on this window. Once you find this, what you have to do is, generally here you can find out a drop down button. In the drop down button, it will be shown like this popular commands. What is the meaning of that is the popular commands which we are using in the Word. That popular commands already set by the Microsoft Word. That popular commands are save, undo, and redo. These are the popular commands very frequently all people are going to be used. We know very well about that. Some of the commands are hidden commands are there. That hidden commands and the popular as well as the popular commands all is in this list. The commands we are going to enable, all these commands will come to in this box. Now what you have to do is you have to click on the drop down this button. Then you will find another small box on the screen. In that box, you have to search for all commands. Here it is all commands. You have to select this all commands. After that, what you have to do is in the step 5, you have in the step 4 you have selected the all commands, and that will show many commands. The list of the commands are displayed here, and you can scroll it down and you can scroll it up. Now you have to search for this option, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. This is all these items are arranged in the alphabetical order. It is very easy to identify this sent to Microsoft PowerPoint. How to identify this? Then first look for the S, then look for the E, then look for the N and D. If we reach the send, now look for the send to Microsoft PowerPoint option. You have to select this, and after that you have to click on the add button. If we click on add button, what happened? This send to Microsoft PowerPoint will comes in this box under this. Now this what you are doing is, this is the command which is not in the use, you added to in the usable command. That's all. After that, once this command is reached in this box, then directly you have to go to the OK button. You have to click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, what is going to be happen? You are able to see this kind of the symbol. When you put a cursor on that symbol, it will shows send to Microsoft PowerPoint. It will shows send to Microsoft PowerPoint, this symbol. Now that's all, friends. Now you are ready to convert your Word file to PPT. How we'll do that, I will explain in the coming slide. Let us see. We have to convert that file. Now, if you enable the symbol send to Microsoft PowerPoint, if we click on that symbol, now your Word file cannot be converted to the PPT. That means even though the PPT file will be generated, in that no content will be appear. What you have to do for that? You have to use some little techniques here. You have to reset our Word content which is in the Word file. We have to rearrange that one. How we are going to rearrange that? Now we are able to find out the heading 1 inside the Word file. Now this heading 1 will set the heading of the slide. This heading 1 always create a new slide. Whatever the content you want to put it in the slide, on the top of the slide, you have to select that content and you have to click on the heading 1. It will be a this will be your slide 1. It is going to be happen. After the some content, if you use the heading 1 again, that will become your next slide. For the running matter, we are going to use the heading 2 like this, which is the medium font size. It will take all the matter will be converted into the medium font size. Now again, if you want to use the small font, if you want to present the small font in the PPT, you can use the heading 3 also. These are the major this is the major part what you have to reset in the Word file. Until and unless you don't do this, then you cannot convert your Word file into PPT in proper manner. Now where you can find out the heading 1 and heading 2, let me show that. Then here, once you open the file here, then here is the heading 1 is there, heading 2 and heading 3. By using this, then you can rearrange your total Word file content. I have reset all my Word file. I am taking the example of the one page of my Word file. Please look into this. Now, how this heading I set into the heading 1. Now this is going to be created a slide 1 on the top of the slide. This matter is going to be appear as a title. Right? After that, in the second box, I have select this content and click on the heading 2. Then it will shows the running matter in that slide only. Now I'm using the next box by using the heading 3. Now this heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3, these all three will be in one slide only. Again, if you start with the heading 1, it will automatically goes to the next slide. The second slide it will create it. Now in the head, once you apply the heading 1, don't give any enters like this. If you give the enter, now here this equation itself is created the one more slide. Please don't use the enter button, and you can use the space, no problem in that. Now here this is the heading 1. I set it, this is this font, this is for the heading 1. Then the next matter I set this matter for the heading 2. Like this we are going to arrange all the things in the Word file. Once you arrange all the Word file, it will look like this way. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 1, heading 1, heading 2, like this. After that, what you have to do is the symbol which you are enabled, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. On that symbol, you have to just click on that. What will happen in the next slide? In the one file is going to be open as a PPT file, which is source, presentation 1 and PowerPoint. As I told you, the heading 1 will create a new slide. The heading 2 and heading 3 will be in the slide only. Here, now your matter directly converted into the Word to PPT directly. Here you can edit your text and you can change your font size. You can apply the animations and whatever you want to do, which is not possible in the PPT in the Word file, but it is possible in the PPT. Now you can apply the animations. Whereas when we come to the slide 2, which is this definition, I have set for the heading 1 only. Why? Because I have given enter after this. That is the reason the equation which it has to come in this slide, it has taken the next slide. This is the problem of the enter. Now if I don't press the enter, then it will comes to this entire slide will come into the second slide only. Now like this way we are going to arrange the things in the Word file and just click on the send to PowerPoint button. It will automatically generate a PPT like this. Now that's all in this video, friends. Thanks for watching. Till now you not subscribed my channel, please like my channel and subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.